I've helped a few people this year get merch accounts and just like telling them what they need to do, which is basically you need to, the best way I've found to do it is to fill out whatever information they ask for you with all of your banking information, but also to start listing shirts on other print on demand sites. The easiest that I've found to do that on is Redbubble. If you can do 2 or 3, it's even better. But I've had people just list like 5 shirts on Redbubble and then link that store when they're asking for approval on merch, as there's like the last thing you do is like fill out this little form of like why we should let you sell or whatever. So if you put that link to your store and just explain like, hey, I've listed on other print on demand sites before. I understand trademark and copyright. I've read through your agreements and understand what you guys are asking, what I can and cannot do on the Amazon merch platform, and just try to.
And a big disclaimer: instead of just saying that, actually do it.
Yeah.
Because it's amazing to me, even when I do research. We just saw one today when I was showing you that had the Fortnite logo, the Nike logo, and another logo on there, and it was a merch shirt. And I was like, how, first of all, how did this get passed, and how is this still a thing? It's just mind-boggling to me. And said those things in the bullet points. It was just like, they're not gonna be around long. I guarantee that.
Yeah, so you definitely do actually want to read through that stuff. It's not that much. It might seem a little overwhelming, but it's a good read, if I can say that.
Okay, you're not gonna lie to him. I'm just saying, read it.
No, it is. I've been doing trademark and t-shirt stuff for a long time, and just reading that stuff.
Not something you put your feet up at the beach and read, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, no.
You said a good read, like a good novel.
If you're trying to find out more information about actually selling on merch, there is good information in there. So I don't think it's just a bunch of like legal jargon. But yeah, saying those things will help you get your account. As long as back to the original question of how long, I've seen it as short as 2 weeks and as long as 3 months. I think they even give like a time. It might be like 90 days or something now. But if you do those few things when you're asking for an account, I have seen 3 people get them this year that I've just told that information to. So hopefully that helps this whole group in getting those accounts if you're still trying to get a merch account.